Introduction to Microsoft Office macros.
Macros are simple tools in Microsoft Office that let you automate repetitive tasks. By recording a macro, you can capture a series of actions and play them back with a single click. This saves time and reduces errors, especially when you're working with lengthy documents or spreadsheets in Word and Excel.
Getting started, enabling the Developer tab.
To use macros efficiently, you first need access to the Developer tab. In both Word and Excel, go to the File menu, select Options, and then Customize ribbon. Check the box for Developer. Once enabled, the Developer tab will appear, giving you easy access to macro recording and settings.
Recording your first macro in Word.
To record a macro in Word, click on the Developer tab and select Record Macro. Give your macro a name and decide if you want a button or keyboard shortcut. Then, perform the actions you want to automate, such as formatting text or inserting headers. When done, stop recording. You can now play back those steps anytime.
Using macros in Excel for automation.
In Excel, macros are especially useful for automating repetitive calculations, formatting, or data entry. Start by clicking Record Macro in the Developer tab. Complete the desired tasks, like adjusting column widths or applying formulas. Stop recording and assign a shortcut if you wish. Your macro will now repeat these steps automatically.
Tips for safe and effective macro use.
While macros are powerful, always use them carefully. Only run macros from trusted sources, as some can contain hidden code. Save your work regularly and consider keeping backup copies. Experiment with simple macros first, and gradually build up to more complex tasks as you get comfortable with the process.